Thirubuvanai. Thirubuvanai pronunciation is a village in the Union Territory of Puducherry, India. It is located in Mannadipet commune panchayat of the Villianur taluk. It serves as the center of Thirubuvanai Union Territory Assembly constituency. It also hosts a Dodadrinath temple Sri Thenkalai Varadharaja Perumal Temple built by Parantakaminus I in the 10th century and Vadukeeswarar temple. It also has a primary health center, police station and fire station. Sri Thenkalai Varadharaja Perumal Temple. The antiquity of the village goes back to the times of Paranthagochalan 1907–955 AD, who built the Varadharaja Perumal Temple. It was called as Veerinarayana Vinagaram after the title of Paranthagar I. The old name of the village was Thirubuvanai Mahadvi Chaturvedi Mangalam, named after the Paranthagar's queen. The lake of this village was called Kakilanadi Puri, named after another wife of Paranthagar. This is an AL stone temple displaying the characteristic plinth moldings, niches, and pilasters. There are small but interesting panels around the sanctum depicting scenes from Ramayana and Bhagavata. There are a number of Chola inscriptions in this temple throwing light on the political, social, and cultural life of the village. The temple is managed by ASI. Thirubuvanai Police Station. The police station, situated at a distance of 22 km from headquarters, lies on the Villupuram main road NH45A. It is the West Border Police Station in the Union Territory of Pondicherry. The building was inaugurated by His Excellency H. L. Khurana, Governor of Tamil Nadu and Administrator of Pondicherry on 2 June 1984. The police station building contains 1 SI quarter, 3 HC's quarters and 13 PC's quarters. Schools. Govt. High School Thirubuvanai Arku Ironalai PLLI, Tirupavnai was established in 1929. The school is managed by Government of Pondicherry Education Department. FSDA English Higher Secondary School, Swami Vivekananda Higher Secondary School, Kalimagal English High School Thirubuvanai. Transport. Road. Thirubuvanai is situated in the midway of the Pondicherry to Villupuram NH45 road. There are several private buses running on daily basis from Thirubuvanai to Pondicherry. The Pondicherry Road Transport Corporation and the Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation operates bus services from Pondicherry to Villupuram via Thirubuvanai. Train. There is no train service available to Thirubuvanai, but one can reach Chinnababu Samatharam Railway Station and or Villupuram Railway Station, which are located around 4 km towards east and 17 km towards west from Thirubuvanai. Daily train services are available from Pondicherry to Villupuram Junction via Chinnababu Samatharam Railway Station. Festivals. Settle Festival Settle Tiruvalai Sri Pajandi Mariamman Kaval. Opening the door of Paradise Corp Vakal Tirupuat Sri Thenkalai Varadharaja Perumal Kaval. Industries. Member of Legislative Assembly. 1974, A. Gopal, Indian National Congress. 1977, M. Maniam, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. 1980, P. Katavariang, Indian National Congress I, Congress I. 1985, S. Komala, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. 1990, D. Viswanathan, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. 1991, D. Viswanathan, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. 1996, SRSA, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. 2001, P. Angalan, Indian National Congress. 2006, Angalan, Indian National Congress. 2011, P. Angalan, All India NR Congress. 2016, B. Kabago, All India NR Congresses. Gallery. Notes.